What's up guys, Jason here from Dallas Mustang. Today we have a 2017 GT350. We're installing a JLT Cold Air Intake and a double Helix X pipe. Then we're going to do a custom tune. So let's go ahead and roll that intro. So we went ahead and did a baseline. It was 435 horsepower to the rear wheels. We're going to go ahead and do the install, redo the dyno, and see what we made. After the install on the custom tune, we were able to get 485 horsepower out of this GT350. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We put content out like this every single week, and we'll see you next time right here at Dallas Mustang.